Kumusta mga bata? Welcome to our video lesson in health education. In this video, we will be talking about human sexuality, focusing on sexuality as an important component of one's personality, and gender and human sexuality. Let's get going! Let's start by talking about the basic unit of a community, the family. There are different kinds and structure of a family, but the most important element is the love that is found in it. Family is the building block that creates the foundation of each person in this world. We are molded with the kind of upbringing we had in our family. Our society also plays a big role in influencing the cultural, economic, legal, and social patterns of our family. As we are a fruit of our family, our community also plays a big role in creating the person that we are. Family health is important to make sure that each member of the family will be able to live life to the fullest every day. Our family provides us with our basic needs like food, shelter, and clothing, as well as our sense of self-worth as you are in school today, and access medical care. The family also bridges our individuality with our role in our community and society. They prepare us to be good citizens from the education that we get inside home and in them sending us to school. Our family also gives us opportunities to have a better life and to enjoy life healthily. As an individual, our sexuality is important for it creates our personality or who we are. It includes everything about being male or female and also how we are, masculine or feminine. Part of our sexuality is the name given to us when we were born. Also, the toys we played with, the clothes we wore, the friends we played with, and our role and responsibilities at home. Understanding our sexuality gives us a clearer understanding of who we really are and the roles we play in the society. Also, part of our sexuality is our emotional and social development. This is affected by how we are inside our homes and how we act in our community. Sexual development starts from birth and continues throughout our lives. The reason why we are talking about personality and sexuality is for us to be able to understand ourselves and the people around us better. Our sexuality involves our physical, mental, emotional, and ethical dimensions of our personality. Physical self allows us to see ourselves according to our sex, like how we look as a man or a woman. Mental self is our brain's perception on how we think as a man or a woman. Social self is how we interact with other people. Emotional self is how we feel about ourselves and of others. While ethical self is how we value our relationships with people around us. To be able to understand our sexuality, we should start with ourselves, how we see ourselves, how we think of ourselves, how we love ourselves, and how we feel about ourselves before we will be able to share ourselves with others. People around us could also help us understand our sexuality. After knowing ourselves, it is then time to properly see others, think of others, know how you feel about others, and how we will love others. To be able to know that we are confident with our healthy sexuality, we should reflect if we have these characteristics. Self-love. It is often said that you need to love yourself before you love others. We should be happy with how we look and how we are, for it is us who created this person that we are. We should be happy with ourselves and accept ourselves. Self-knowledge. We should be the one who has the greatest understanding of ourselves. We should be the ones who know ourselves the best. How we react to situations, why we decide on things that way, why we are happy, sad, or angry, these are the decisions we made, and we should know why we did those decisions. Self-confidence. Loving and knowing yourself will give you confidence as well. Knowing your capability and capacity and creating a goal can be achieved easily if you have confidence on yourself. Self-respect. It is said that we need to respect ourselves for others to respect us too. If we give ourselves high regard and we believe that we are worthwhile persons, then we will matter and everybody around us will give us the same respect. Self-expression. How we show others who we really are is important. We should not limit ourselves with what is expected of us, thus we need to act as who we really are and express our individuality. Learning human sexuality is important because of the following. It teaches us love is being human and giving and receiving love is okay. It will help us appreciate our sexual identity. It makes us respect ourselves and others. It helps us understand the body changes we went through and the changes we are still going through. It helps us appreciate how life began. It gives us information on how to live a healthy lifestyle. Let us define terms related to sexuality. Remember that sex is biological. It has something to do with the sexual organs that is assigned to us from when we are born. This is being male or female. Gender, on the other hand, is a social concept. It has something to do with how we think, feel, act, and the role we play in the society. It is being masculine or feminine. There are male who are masculine and female who are feminine. But there are also males who are feminine and females who are masculine. This is part of a big spectrum we now know as the LGBTQ++. Gender equality is male and female enjoying equal rights. This posed a bigger problem in the past where females are not allowed to vote and study. But today, we are steps closer to gender equality. Gender roles are assigned roles, characteristics, and expectations to different genders as how the society dictates. But together with gender equality, this is an issue being thought of carefully for the belief that our roles in the society should not be determined by our sex and gender. That's it, learners! You now have a clearer understanding about the concepts of human sexuality. We hope that you have learned something new from this video lecture. And as always, stay safe and healthy. Have a nice day!